Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact DramaWave customer service using the DramaWave mobile application. So in order to do that, first of all, open the DramaWave app on your device. And then from the home screen, go ahead and tap on profile icon at the bottom right corner. Inside your profile section, go ahead and scroll all the way down and tap on Customer Service Center. There you will be able to see the FAQs, which might also help your problem. Simply go ahead and expand an FAQ that is related to your problem and you will find necessary solutions for it. If you want to directly contact for other issues or feedbacks, tap on the Other Issues Feedbacks button at the bottom. Now there you can select the problem type you are having or facing while using the platform, and then provide a detailed description about your problem in the description box. If you have available, you can also upload some pictures as a proof. And finally, enter your email to receive feedback updates in the last field. After filling in all of the information, click on Submit at the bottom, and that way you will be able to contact DramaWave customer service for any kind of a problem and their solution while using the platform. So that's how it's easily done. I hope you found the video helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more DramaWave contents. I'll be back in the next video. Stay tuned till then.